Oh, we love MTD here at Broadway Engineering. Lots of the guys read the magazine, and thank you very much for sending those out to us. I think it's always really interesting publication that you have, and you're always putting very interesting stories out on LinkedIn and on your website.
I have the latest edition of MTD.
What do you think?
This month's very interesting.
Okay. Anything in particular?
Yeah, the hidden cost of tooling.
Hold on a minute, let me just clarify. That's written by Joe Reynolds.
Yeah, good article.
I think it's great, to have an actual publication of something rather than online. It gives you something to flick through during your tea break, lunch break, if you haven't got a computer at your desk. I really enjoy it.
Gareth, I understand you're a big fan of MTD magazine, so I thought I would deliver this one fresh off the press.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
What'd you like it?
Oh, it's just very informative, up-to-date technology, and look forward to reading it.
Just tell, for those that haven't seen one so far, how regular the circulation is and what they can expect to see in the MTD publication.
So as you just said, we kind of kicked it off with the Mac Show issue, and then that was so well received that the September issue last year was a toe in the water, more of an indication of what it was going to look like moving forward. And then this year, bang, we kicked it off January, March, May. So bi-monthly frequency, which I think with printed products, I think that's about right on the frequency side of things.
And if you don't get a copy at the moment, you want a copy, you can register for it on the MTD CNC website. It's quite easy to navigate through. Just tell us some of the features that we've had over the past few months as well that might interest some of our watchers.
We've had some real good, unique features, and the great thing about working with you guys on the digital side is we've got 5 guys out most days of the week, pieces of metal being cut, new technical centres and things like that. That's creating an awful lot of original content. Throw in an editor of the magazine as well, where he'd go get maybe old school pen and paper, getting the features that way. We've been to Boeing, Forge Masters, massive installation of the Boston installation up at Forge Masters, JLR, places where we're not bumping into other publications.
Jim, MTD magazine, do you enjoy it?
Yep, very much. We find it very informative. Look forward to it every 2 months. Pass it around to the lads on the shop floor to have a look at. They like it as well. So again, as I say, very informative with all the latest stuff, and it's something that we all look forward to.
Mark, your thoughts on the publication?
Oh, fantastic. It's a good read, very informative, keeps us up to date with what our competitors are doing, and trying to keep one step ahead of them.
It's the best one I've seen. Out of the ones you get through the post, this one's got all the information you want.
And what sort of feedback have you been getting?
We've had great feedback. We've already done some market research with the readers, who are the most important people. The balance is what they like, technically enough, pertinent to the job they're doing. So the readers have given us great feedback. The marketplace, the advertisers, the machine suppliers, the equipment suppliers.
It's all unique. Pretty much everything in there, most of it is unique.
Absolutely. And the beauty of working and the sort of dovetailing with digital and the QR code, which people think is old technology. The content you guys are creating, 5 guys out on the road most days of the week, it's all unique content.
No one else can do it.
No one else can do it. So that one, the content, the route to market anyway with the digital audience, throw in the sort of circulation of the printed product. It's a real sort of, I think, a modern day formula for publishing. You've got the digital product there, you've got the audience, throw in the good old tried and tested public printed trade mag. It's a winner.
Steve, you got a copy of our publication here. I noticed when I came in that one of your other guys was reading it as well. What do you think of it?
Yeah, it's good. The guys in the workshop like to look at it as well. We pass it around the workshop and they'll look at it, they'll probably pick things up that I don't always see.
What stands out to you? Is it obviously the content, I suppose, educational?
Yeah, it's very educational. It keeps us abreast of what's going on, things that we wouldn't necessarily know. Obviously, you're in a work environment. A lot of the time you've got your head down, and sometimes you have to look up and see what else is going on in the world, and then this brings it to us.
Well, these are original stories. I don't see these anywhere else, so it's good to see what other people are doing, reading about it, and it's genuine facts.
It's really good. So, it's keeping me up to date on what's going on, because obviously I don't get let out a lot, so I can actually see the new machinery that's going on, and hopefully go and get my bosses to go and buy it. But yeah,
is it one of the best ones you've seen?
Yeah, definitely, absolutely. It's just what I need. I get to actually look at a book for a change, and I can see what's going down in the world.
This is the best publication in the industry.